Import videos from YouTube to Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the YouTube application on a device and search for the video that you'd want to download over here and that you just want to import from YouTube to Capcut. So just launch the YouTube application on your device over here, and then all you have to do is search for the video over here. Now as you search for the video, you can just tap on any of the video and download it. I'm going to download this one over here. All you have to do is you just have to tap on the download option that is available over here below the profile name over here. So tap on download, and as you tap on download, it will start downloading. Now after getting it downloaded, you'll get it on your gallery or your file manager as well. Then you just have to go to the Capcut application on your device, and as you tap on the Capcut application, you can just see the option of new project. Just wait for a while until it loads, and then just as you can see, this is the profile or the video that you had just downloaded. So just tap on the video and select it, and then tap on the add option at the bottom of the screen, and then just tap on the add option over here. And as you tap on add, you'll be able to import the videos from YouTube to Capcut. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.